In the back of the truck. Fucking Mac.
Usually if it hits that bump right there, it's gonna launch. Just hope it doesn't break his back window out.
I hope so. Not.